was here this morning and I did witness federal agents inside the building. They are detaining individuals who showed up to court. As an attorney, what is very bothersome is that due process is guaranteed under the U.S. Constitution. Due process and justice does not mean you get to stay here. Due process and justice does not mean you're going to win your case. It means that you are guaranteed that one day in court, your day in court, to tell your story, have somebody listen to your testimony, listen to your evidence, and make a decision as to whether they have a valid claim to stay or not. The individual who was detained this morning here at South Gessner is a national of Ecuador. He had arrived in the year 2023. He did file an asylum application. When he was apprehended upon entry at the U.S. border, immigration officials processed him in. They issued him what's called a notice to appear, a document telling him to come to court. Well, they never turned it in to the judge. So he did the only thing he could do is file his asylum application with USCIS. And then after a year, they finally filed his paperwork here for the judge. This was his very first court hearing in front of the immigration judge. And I do have proof that he had filed an asylum application which was pending as of today. He asked for time to obtain an attorney and return with an attorney. He was not given that. The government moved to dismiss his case, citing changed circumstances, saying that they just no longer had an interest in prosecuting his case. Dismissal was granted by the court. He walked out and the federal agents were waiting right there by the elevators and they did detain him. What's gonna happen is more people don't come to court. They don't come to court. And then they get deportations because they're scared to come to court because they're literally being arrested in court. No criminal history.
For ICE to be sitting right outside waiting for these folks is inhumane. We are asking for them to at least be given a fighting chance so that they can remain here with their family. This is unfair, this is unjust, and this is very cowardly for folks to be sitting there. It's also a waste of taxpayer money for 4 agents to be sitting there an entire day. How much is that costing?